Cleaning the laser unit window is also very easy. You just open the front cover, you take out the waste toner receptacle, you take out the laser unit cleaning wand, and there's a little arrow here where it shows you where to put the cleaning wand. And so you'll simply insert it there in that little hole available. The same thing with the magenta. Cyan. And black. Very easy. You put the laser unit cleaning wand back where it goes. Put the waste toner receptacle back where it goes. Make sure you hear a click. Close the front cover, and you're done.